So those are compression fit struts, and I made a tool once for this specific job, but it was on a Volkswagen. I think it'll still work in here. It's called a strut spreader. You can buy the tool just as a socket with a oblong shape on it, and it goes in sideways, and then you turn it with a ratchet. Well, I made my own. I'm going to grab it here and show you. So this is just an Allen key that I had for something. I don't even remember what it was for. And then I took it to the grinder, and then I grind in that shape, the end of it. Hopefully that's coming through. Hopefully. But yeah, you grind it oblong, and then what this does is it goes in to the strut, and then you just give it a turn, and it spreads the strut open. Actually, it spreads the hub open, so the strut pops out. I think the tool's about 40 bucks. This was like a couple of dollars. So. Okay, so it's in, and this strut's bent, so it's not going to fall out. But hopefully. You can just tap it right now. Just like that. Let me show you that tool. I mean, it's literally just an Allen key. Yeah. So that's all it does. So you put it in between them, and then you turn it 90 degrees. And if you watch that gap when I take this out, that gap will close up a little. There you go. But yeah, so that's it. Super simple tool. Yeah, you can make it in 5 minutes on a grinder.